Yes, students. What is biopatent? First of all, let us know what is patent. Patent is the right granted by the government to the inventor so that the others cannot use commercially of his invention. A patent is a right granted. It is a right granted by government to an inventor. Who invented the product or the process to get the right to prevent others from commercial use of one's invention. You can write down of is or for. Better to write down of one's invention. A patent is granted for the invention including the product of its product. An improvement in early invention, and the patent is granted for an invention including its products. An improvement in an early invention. The process of generating the product, and a concept or design. Patent safeguards the rights of innovator, and new inventions can be self-protected by patents, design trademarks, the trade secrets and copyrights. Copyrights is developed by own, but patent is given by the authority, by the government. So what is biopatent then? Biopatent. When patent is granted for, when a patent is the right. Patent is granted for a biological entity or its products then called biopatent. The biopatent can be given on different products like the strains of microorganisms, the cell line, the strains of animal, plant, or DNA sequences. So, biopatents are awarded for strains of microorganisms, cell lines, specific cell lines that are designed, genetically modified strains of plants and animals, DNA sequences, the protein encoded by these DNA sequences, specific DNA design, DNA is designed, isolated, the DNA sequence, and the proteins encoded by the DNA, the specific DNA sequence. Biotechnological processes, the process what is used to design that specific gene or to transfer the gene, that is biotechnological processes. The product processes for the product processing processes. The products biopatent are awarded on, are given on, or granted on the products and product applications. So, patents or intellectual property rights are under the domain of national laws. IPR, intellectual property rights of different countries are different. IPR laws, the intellectual property right laws are different for different countries. IPR laws maintain the balance between two things. The industry's desire to capitalize the investment in technological development. Industry invest what? Money. So the industries, what would be the desire of the industry? To capitalize. Means as the industry invested for the technological development to get the products from the resources available, the industry invested the capital, money, capital in technological development to get the products for mankind from the biological resources. So in return, the industries desire to capitalize, means to get return the money, to get return the money with profit. So laws, IPR laws, intellectual property right laws, maintain the balance between the industry's desire for what? To capitalize on investments in technological development and the rights of the society to get benefit from resources. The society has the right to get the benefit, but directly the resources cannot be used. They are processed to get the usable products by the industries. So the law maintains the balance between the society and the industries. GATT, General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. It was established after the World War II. It is an international trade treaty. It is a trade treaty. Treaty means the agreement, Chuktinama. Is an international trade treaty designed after Second World War for economic recovery, and it was signed by, this treaty was signed by 23 countries. Now it is replaced by the WTO. World Trade Organization is an international institution who looks after, who oversees the rules governing the trade, global trade since January 1995. Now, all member countries have to frame their national IPR law, national IPR laws in agreement with TRIPRS, trade related intellectual property rights. What is the full form? Trade related. A full form I am writing over here. Trade related intellectual property right. Intellectual property rights. Okay. So this is the law, that biopatent or intellectual property right law, that all countries they should have their individual IPR law, and but it is in agreement with the TRIPRS, international trade related intellectual property rights, and it is seen by the global trade is the rules of global trade is seen by the World Trade Institution, World Trade Organization. Patent Act of India was enacted in 1970. Its headquarters is Kolkata, West Bengal. The nodal center for India Bisectory, the nodal center for Indian Bisectory Network is by Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. Nodal center of Biosafety Network, we know what is biosafety. The condition that is safe condition provided for the bio resources, bioproducts. Nodal center where the document verification is done. Okay, for providing the patent right, for providing the trademark right, all these are that safety related, biosafety related rights are verified in Department of Biotechnology, that is called nodal center. Nodal center means where the document verification is done. Significance of biopatenting allows the biopatent system allows. Who allows? The biopatent system allows the system of biopatent. Patent system allows the private. Hence, you can say if one is invented with one's own innovative idea, it can be privatized to that person. Monopoly right over single-handed right. If I have done the research on this field, that right is mine only. Okay, so the monopoly right over genes, cells, plant or animals on this the innovator has done the research. It gives the patent holder monopoly control over the resources for medicine, food and medicine, not for any other thing. For food and medicine, resources are can be controlled by that patent holder. Hence, people will not share vital research information to others in fear of that the patent may be taken by somebody else. So, the vital research information are not shared, will not share to others. People will not research in areas that are dominated by patents, which are already patentized. Which work, which cell, which tissue, which technology already patentized, that cannot be given to anybody else. So people will not research which is in the field which is already patentized by somebody else. These are the significance of biopatents. Patent related case studies. Dr. Anand Mohan Chakravarti created a superbug, a bacterium of Pseudomonas genus, which can eat the oil and clear the oil spill. Which can eat the bacterium is capable. The superbug can eat oil and could clear the oil spill. His superbug was not patented on the plea that bacterium is a living organism. Actually, he is born to India, but American scientist. In USA, up to 1980, it was the living organisms were not patentized, but he fought legally. He fought legally and went to Supreme Court. In 1980, he got the patent on his superbug. Neem patent case. Multinational agri-business company W.R. Grace WR Grace is a multinational company and the US Department of Agriculture taken the patent, as we already discussed, taken the patent on linseed oil for the fungicidal use in 1992. Actually, this practice is the ancient practice of India. For fungicidal use, the name is used since the ancient time in India. And it was cancelled in 2000 in May 2000 with the effort of Dr. Vandana Siva of Research Foundation for Science and Technology and Natural Resource Policy, New Delhi. After a long legal battle, the patent of the WR Grace and USDA was cancelled. Turmeric patent case. This also we already discussed in 1995. The USA actually, the Medical Center of University Mississippi was taken the patent. The patent was granted by USA Lab in 1995. The use of turmeric powder as own healing agent with the objection of CSIR New Delhi, the patent was cancelled in 1997. So, what we discussed in this session, that biopiracy, biosafety, biopiracy, biopatent. So biosafety itself is you may get a short note, or biopiracy maybe you may be asked the specific type of biopiracy or on the cases, or simply piracy. Here biopatent, same thing. You may get the 2.5 short note on biopatent or the 1 questions. Even you may get the 3.5 short note of the long type questions from any of these: biosafety, biopiracy, biopatent. Okay, practice the question answers. Thank you.